Look at all those frequencies, you guys, right there. This hurricane is being pushed and steered with all those frequencies you see right there. And I just wanted to show you guys how much control and power that climate engineering has over everything. Bear with me, they should come back to those frequencies in just a minute. So that's what I wanted to show you guys. And they don't say anything about it. They don't say anything about those frequencies on here. But they sure have a lot of gold to show it, don't they? Yeah. Hurricane Barry, Tropical Storm Barry, whatever they want to call it, is being steered by microwave frequencies.